Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will blend nature into a face for that cinematic double exposure effect. Start with a portrait photo and add a mountains or forest background. The portrait and mask in the landscape layer set blend mode to screen. Use a soft brush to reveal only key areas like hair and silhouettes, and add a light gradient overlay to both blend tones. Adjust level to the contrast. Paint subtle light leaks for moods. Add birds or clouds for visual storytelling. The final result looks like art where emotions meet scenery in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching.